We've arrived at the cruise terminal. Let's check out the room.
Pammy's Adventures. What's she up to now?
Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Pammy here. It's great to see you. Watching me, talking to you. Yes, indeed. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are returning, hey, great to see ya. This is a video showing my arrival at the P&O cruise terminal in Southampton when I boarded the Ventura cruise line for 12 days with my sister, and also shows you a room tour, which was a really good stateroom, if I say so myself. So, enjoy! Alright, so here I am at the terminal, getting ready to go on the P&O Ventura, and I just have to make a comment of how calm it is here compared to when we went to a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. I mean, I loved it, but the when they take your baggage, whoa, over there, it is, give me your bags, give me this, what you want, where are you, go on, what are you, where, right here it's, just go over here, put your bags here, and go to the departure lounge. You know, people do it in different ways. There we go, red carpet, and we're walking.
Start with your expeditions ashore.
That is it. She's in! And look, our bags are already here, and we only got here about half an hour ago. And our bags are already here. And here already. Here it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as you can see, the stateroom is a pretty good size for an inside cabin stateroom on the P&O Ventura cruise ship. There are many cupboards that you can use, places to hang your things up. The bathroom facility was fabulous, and yeah, in between the beds there's enough room to boogie on down and dance around, if that's what you like to do. So I would recommend an inside stateroom. The size is fine. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and a like, and I will see you next time. Pammy out.
Pammy's Adventures. What's she up to now?